If you've ever tried to cook dinner for the whole family and ended up juggling trays, waiting for one dish to finish before starting another, or dealing with flavors mixing in one oven, you already know how frustrating that gets. And honestly, that's where most countertop ovens just fall short. Today, we're looking at the Ninja DCT451 12 in one smart double oven, and this one actually tries to fix that exact problem. It's designed for busy families, home cooks who multitask, or anyone tired of back-to-back cooking. The big idea here is simple but powerful. Two separate ovens in one compact countertop unit, working independently but intelligently together. Right out of the box, the design feels modern and practical without being flashy. The stainless steel finish gives it that premium kitchen look, and it doesn't feel like a cheap appliance you'll replace in a year. What stands out immediately is the FlexDoor system. You can open just the top half for quick snacks or small meals, or swing open the full door to access both ovens at once. It sounds like a small thing, but in daily use, it actually makes the whole experience smoother and less clunky. The build quality is solid overall. The racks slide in easily. The crumb tray is removable, and nothing feels loose or poorly assembled. It's clearly made for regular use, not just occasional cooking. Even the included accessories, like the air fry basket and sheet pans, feel durable enough to handle frequent use without warping or wearing down quickly. No, where this oven really starts to separate itself is performance in real-life cooking. The top oven is fast and perfect for things like toast, reheating leftovers, or quick bakes. It heats up quickly and doesn't feel like overkill when you just want something simple. The bottom oven is where the heavier lifting happens, with convection and air fry modes that handle larger meals like pizza, roasted vegetables, or even a whole chicken. One of the most useful features here is Smart Finish. You can cook two completely different meals in each oven and have them finish at the same time. In practice, this actually works surprisingly well. Instead of timing things manually and hoping everything lines up, the oven handles that for you. It's one of those features you don't think you need until you try it, and then it becomes hard to go back. The Flavor Seal technology is another thoughtful addition. Since the ovens are separate, smells don't mix. So you can air fry wings in the bottom while baking something sweet on top, and neither one picks up the other's flavor. That's a small detail, but it makes a big difference in real cooking situations. There's also a built-in thermometer, which takes a lot of guesswork out of cooking meat. You just leave it in, and the oven monitors the temperature for you. For beginners, or even experienced cooks who don't want to keep checking, this adds a level of convenience that's genuinely useful. In terms of noise and ease of use, it's pretty well balanced. It's not silent, especially in air fry mode, but it's no louder than most appliances in this category. The controls are intuitive, and after a couple of uses, you don't really need to think about them anymore. Cleaning is straightforward, too, thanks to the crumb tray and accessible interior. Now, it's not perfect. The biggest downside is the size. This is not a small countertop appliance, and it will take up a noticeable amount of space. If you have a compact kitchen, you'll need to plan for it. It's also priced higher than basic toaster ovens, so it's an investment. And if you mostly cook small, simple meals, you might not fully use everything it offers. Compared to other ovens in this price range, most give you either air frying or convection, but not this level of flexibility. Very few offer true dual oven functionality with independent controls. Some competitors are smaller or cheaper, but they don't really solve the cook two things at once problem in the same way this does. That's where this oven stands out. It's about saving time, not just adding features. So, who is this actually for? If you're cooking for family, meal prepping, or just tired of waiting on one dish after another, this makes a lot of sense. If you want something compact and basic, this might be more than you need. At the end of the day, the Ninja DCT451 is less about fancy tech and more about making everyday cooking easier and faster. If that's your priority, it's definitely worth considering. If you found this helpful, go ahead and like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews like this, and check the link in the description if you want to see current pricing or deals.